Hi friends! Welcome back to the Wapiti Regional Library. My name is Hannah, and it's been such a long time since I've seen you guys. It's already the end of August, which is hard to believe, and this is the last video I'll be making for the Wapiti YouTube channel. So I thought, why not do something fun? So today, we're making our own little bird feeder. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Since you guys have seen me last, one of the changes here on my farm is that we have a new puppy. Her name is Ruby, and she's pretty darn cute. Before we go in, let's take a look at my flowers to see if we can find any pollinators. Look what I just stepped into, my friends. These, it's hard to see them, but if you look close, there are some little mushrooms. And these mushrooms actually form one big circle. It's hard to see in the grass, but they're all there. And look at this. This is an old puffball mushroom. That, all those little brown things inside, are spores. No, Ruby. No, 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 no. I think it's really amazing some of the awesome things we can find in our own backyards. Alright friends, we are up in my bedroom now. Let's get started on our bird feeder. For this project, you only need a couple things. Most of them you'll probably have at home already. First things first, you need a paper towel roll or toilet paper roll. Then we need to grab some peanut butter. I have the all-natural stuff, but any kind of peanut butter will work. If you have some skewers or popsicle sticks at home, you can grab those. You'll need some twine or ribbon. You'll need some plates or trays. You'll need a knife or a spoon to spread the peanut butter. Of course, we'll need some nuts or some seeds. And finally, our top secret ingredient for these bird feeders, some dried up bugs and worms. Isn't that cool? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Before we go any further, I totally forgot about our skewers and our ribbons. So when you do this craft, before you coat your toilet paper roll in peanut butter, do these next steps. Take a skewer and poke a hole through your toilet paper roll. Just like this. A parent can also help you guys with this part if you need help. What you should be left with is something that looks just like this. Next, take a skewer and poke 2 holes right at the top, or scissors or a knife, whatever you have on hand. Make sure your parent helps you with this part. There we go. This hole right here is going to be for our twine or our ribbon. Go ahead and cut yourself a piece of twine or ribbon and thread it through that hole we just made. That way, we're able to hang our bird feeder after we're done making it. Now that you've done these steps, go ahead with the video. I forgot to mention, but if you're like me and you always make a big mess, probably grab some paper towel to clean up all the peanut butter you're gonna get everywhere. We're gonna take our knife and plop some onto the plate. Now, we're gonna take that peanut butter. You can either use your hands and get messy or use a butter knife or spoon. For this, I'll use both. We're just gonna coat the entire toilet paper roll in peanut butter. It looks gross, I know. All right, now that you have a really gross looking toilet paper roll, you can go ahead and grab our seeds. So there they are. And now all we're gonna do is take our toilet paper roll and roll it in the seeds. Get it nice and covered. In the end, we're left with something that looks just like this. Now, if you're like me and have a mealworm farm in your room, you can go ahead and grab some of your dried out beetles or even some dried out worms. We're going to take some of these beetles and place them on our toilet paper roll. All right, and now, if we look from far away, it kind of looks like a chocolate chip cookie. But if we go up close, we can see we have beetles and seeds and peanut butter and a whole bunch of really good things. Now, we're gonna let our paper towel roll or toilet paper roll dry overnight. All right, my friends, let's go see if the chickens like their new treat. I did put our little bird feeder in the fridge last night, so hopefully it's not too cold for the chickens. All right, there's our little treat for our chickens. Let's see if they enjoy it. Good morning, girls. Just like you and me, sometimes when we have something new around us, it takes us a little bit to get used to it. So let's see if our chickens can get used to their new treat. All right, we got one girl. This is my brave girl. She's usually the first to do anything, so let's see if she will look at our treat. She'll eat bugs out of my hand, but she won't come right here and peck them off of this thing. We're gonna move where their treat is hanging. Hopefully that'll help. All right. I moved their treat to another side of their little perch, so let's see if they finally figure out what it is. These girls are crazy. They're more interested in eating grass than eating this delicious peanut butter, sunflower seed, beetle treat. I'm gonna leave them again for a couple minutes and hopefully they'll start to enjoy their treat. This is taking way longer than I thought it would. We've got a huge grasshopper on the side of this sunflower, and the other side has a tiny little ladybug just chilling out. I don't know what kind of bee this is. I like him because it seems like he's shaking his little butt at me, and I think that's really cute. Holy smokes, okay. If I walk up there, I think I'll scare them off, but there are some girls going after our treat. Even the ducks are interested. Not all of the chickens are interested. There's a whole group hanging in the back here. Oh my goodness, look at them. We will check to see how much of that little treat roll is left tonight when I get back from work. I think Ruby's a little bit jealous that she didn't get to have some peanut butter this morning. It's her favorite treat. I don't think I actually explained to you guys why the bees love sunflowers so much. Each one of these little things here is actually a flower that has its own nectar. This sunflower is totally mature. So underneath those are sunflower seeds, the kind that you would get in a bag of seeds. I grow sunflowers as a treat for my chickens, but also because they're so beautiful. All right, let's look for our... Oh my goodness. Our bird feeder is gone. Well, what in the world? Well, I think it's safe to say that the chickens enjoyed their little hanging toilet paper roll, peanut butter, seed treat. They liked it so much they made it disappear. So it's probably somewhere in the pasture, and I'll find it, I'm sure, in the next couple days. Now I know you guys might not have, oh my gosh, hi mama. You guys might not have chickens like I do, but what you can do with your little bird feeder is hang it up in a tree outside, and you'll feed chickadees and blue jays and maybe a crow or a magpie. I don't know if you guys can see, woo, but I have an army of chickens following me as I'm walking around searching for our toilet paper roll. Oh my god, look at these girls. They think I have more treats for them. No more treats tonight. It looks like little dinosaurs running through grass. Look at that. No more treats, mamas. You're done. All right, so we've made our bird feeder. We learned a little bit more about chickens, maybe. We saw some pollinators, we saw some mushrooms, and we saw all sorts of flowers. I hope you guys had a great time. And like I said at the beginning of this video, this will be the last time you see me on the Wapiti Regional Library YouTube channel. But it's been so much fun getting to know you guys and getting to hang out with you this summer. Ruby is very, very excited as well. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. Please check out our other videos, and hopefully we'll see you around. Bye guys. I guess I have to let Zoe and Ruby, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I have to let them say goodbye as well. Oh, hello, Mama. Oh my gosh, these girls are crazy. So again, thank you guys for joining me this summer. I hope you've had a blast. I hope you learned something and got outside. Have a great school year. Thank you so much to SaskTel for sponsoring this video.